Introducing the sleek and luxurious 2020 Mercedes-Benz E-Class A/T4 door auto in stunning grey. This powerhouse boasts a 1.6 litre diesel engine, automatic transmission, and a host of premium features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and wireless charging. With top-notch security features like anti-collision system and parking assistance, this vehicle ensures your peace of mind on the road. Rest assured, with the full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing, and comprehensive warranty included. Don't miss out on this exceptional ride. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.